Hey guys, it's the middle of the holidays, and schedules and brains are starting to feel scrambled. There's play practice, recitals, performances, parties, and of course the dreaded gift shopping that all need to happen in an ever shrinking amount of time, all possibly resulting in stress and poor sleep. While I can't really help you with the schedule, I can help you handle the resulting stress and poor sleep. I'll even throw in a few gift ideas at the end. I know a lot of driving around trying to get to places on time, all at different places, can make me stressed. And when I'm stressed, I start snapping at my girls, and I hate it. So when I know I'm heading into a stressful situation, I will put a little stress away on my wrists and just take a moment to breathe it in. I might still snap, but it's not as fast or as angry. But sometimes I forget to put stress away on, and I go too long without it, and I start just overthinking everything. From snapping at the girls to dirty dishes in the sink because I haven't emptied the dishwasher, and the girls are asking for socks because I failed to fold the clean laundry for far too long. Am I failing them as a mom? And that's usually where I realize I need to stop, take a deep breath, put my stress away on, and I usually follow that up with a mix that I call mood lifter, because by this point I have put myself in a funk. I love my mood lifter mix. It works really fast, and I don't even have all the oils for it. All that stress can and does affect my sleep. So I go ahead and diffuse lavender in our bedroom diffuser, and I'll put my immunity roller on, and I'll follow that up with one drop each of lavender and cedarwood. Lavender makes me calm and sleepy, but cedarwood helps me sleep a little bit deeper and helps keep my brain from racing all night while trying to fall asleep. My husband gets the diffuser, and he'll use Valor to help with the snoring. Even my girls have a sleepy time roller with lavender, peace and calming, Valor, and cedarwood. One of these days, I'll make a sleepy time roller for us adults. Well, I promised some gift ideas. So here are a few gifts that you can DIY or you can just buy them. There's bath salts for relaxing or if they're under the weather. There's a peppermint foot scrub or a lavender vanilla sugar scrub. Let's see, a lavender body balm, body butter, or diffuser jewelry. Anyway, let me know what you think. Did you love the ideas? Hit the like and share button. I'll post some of the recipes over the week. Let me know if there's one in particular that you want to see later. Bye.